expect guys like Josh Giab and RJ Arenal to really help in contributing to that for Muntinlupa, while Rocky Asidre gave Capascio.
Muntinlupa's previous teams. Interesting, Chino Mosqueda facing his former team. Altamirano, left-handed scoop.
He's always...
Altamirano, quickly to Jonas Tibayan. Nagcut si Mosqueda, left-handed scoop. Gabe. To Buenaflor. They swing it over to Gabe Capascio, who knocks down the jumper. He may not be all the time, be in his player's ear, no? Pero alam ng player niya kung ano gagawin.
That's the strength of...
Ballesteros. Altamirano, plenty of contact, and he knocks down the... Alex De Soyo. Are, now with mag-isa. Takes it strong to the rack. And Marcos uses the pick from De Leon, shakes off the D. Mag-isa inside, great help from Moralde. Mag-isa recovers but loses it again. De Leon, and he scores. Yun na.
Starting 5 na talaga. May 6-man pa.
Moralde ahead to De Leon. Another fast break finish.
Inside to force that miss.
Moralde. Asidre for 3. That's good. Deflected. Nakuha ni Hisalim. Now with De Soyo. Jumper is good. Alex by Jason Ballesteros. Quezon City on the run. Yambing is open. That's a 3. (22-21). They go to Batak. Denied by Ballesteros. Zumbero on the stick back.
Special
From trouble. Roman gets it to Yambing. Roman, the kick out. Are will attack. Are lays it in. Involved ka doon sa nangyari.
And you could also think it would also cross your mind.
Oo. But
Siya yung nauna eh.
oo, syempre. Both players going for the ball. Dave Moralde fires a 3 and he knocks it down.
That could have been a big boost in the confidence of Brinwil Yambing after what happened. He's going to have to play through it as Zumbero knocks it down.
Go, rebound is Zumbero.
Lucky break there for Muntinlupa. Breakdown defensively that got Zumbero one-on-one against Ballesteros.
And Muntinlupa, De Leon able to recover. Longalong, 8 on the shot clock. Longalong, that's a tough shot, and he hits that. Marcos. Proving to be a solid pickup here for Muntinlupa. Marcos over. Taken away by Michael Are. Law. Mosqueda, spin move. Tough shot, yes. Muntinlupa. Arenal. Down low. Giab is open. The ball game. Maganda dito kay Marcos, really a really good shot creator for them, no? Kung when they need someone to bail them out. Michael Are knocks down the 3. Back to live action. Here's Are. Mosqueda coming off a series of picks. Kenji Roman. Lo will take the 3. That's short. Rebound ni Mosqueda. Matake and Chino Mosqueda. Crappy.
He has really practiced that floater game of his, and he gets a steal here playing the passing lanes. That's why their offense was struggling to start this second half. But thankfully for QC, Chino Mosqueda has come to life to bring them back to within a point. And here's Muntinlupa. They got another steal.
That won't work. Ray Bienes in the game for Quezon City. Edsel Mag-isa as well. Mag-isa against Sombero. Mag-isa puts it in for 2. Moralde. Marcos. Moralde has the fire. That's a 3. Dave Moralde. Wala ni rin William Bing.
I think he wanted to slam that. Late niya na lang na-realize na bitin pala yung talon niya.
Ganda ng pasa. Dave Moralde. He's been hampered by those tiki-taki fouls.
He's been one of the double-digit scorers for Quezon City from last season, averaging 10 points per game. But yeah, those fouls, as you mentioned.
Sarangani, diba? Moralde grabs the board. Quickly tulong-along. Drives deep inside the paint. As Disoyo. Yambing underneath.
Chris Porter back in action in professional basketball. Isa yan sa mga kabatch namin sa Junior NBA together with Mactalio, Carlo Escalambre, and Jay Habilosa.
Cuevas trying to carve space. He gets that one to drop. Balik sa siyamang kalamangan dito ng Muntinlupa. Under 2 minutes to play here in the third. Esalem. Back to Disoyo. Roman providing the pick. Disoyo. Out to Roman. The extra pass. Esalem for 3. Yes!
Passes and make guys like Jonas Tibayan available for those shots.
Minute remaining in the third. Muntinlupa up by 5. Here's Marcos to Gonzalez. Plenty of time on the shot clock. Now down to 5. Marcos attacks. Marcos could not make the layup. Roman with a rebound. Tibayan ahead of the pack. Tibayan will finish. One-point game. Quezon City with a chance to take the lead. Short on the 3. Disoyo gets his own miss. Nasa ilalim si Tibayan. Yambing recovers and hits. Block. Giab. Marcos makes his move. Pulls up. Yes. Roman. Mosqueda for 3. Yes, sir. Ballesteros. Binigay kay Disoyo. 5 seconds to shoot. Alex lost it. Marcos on the run. Marcos drops it off to Dave Moralde. Disoyo left alone, and Alex with a quick response. Ano ko ba? Bakasyon ka pa yan.
Ay, ano, 22 pala.
At buti pa ako, alam ko schedule mo. Boss Monching Talisayon, shout out as well. Hope you're enjoying the game. Marcos knocks down the 3.
Dahil nakas...
Two-way player. Ito si Chino Mosqueda. Binaba niyang bola against Gabe Capacio. Lo. Picks up his dribble. Paeng Are will attack, leaves it to Ballesteros. Sombero, Capacio, Marcos, Cuevas uses the De Leon pick. Sombero, 5 to shoot. Sombero gets his own miss. And joke lang.
Just not the dunk.
Joke lang. Ayan, nakatawid against Cuevas. 68 to 67. Are sees a free lane and puts it in for 2. And Mosqueda and Yambing, the high point men for Quezon City. Kabila naman, Marcos and Moralde. And Marcos
seeing team basketball at its finest. And this is only going to get better as this season progresses because the chemistry will continue to develop. Players will get better. They will get used to playing with each other. And they're just going to be playing so well.
Yambing, plenty of time by Paeng Are.
Another bad play right there by Rocky Asidre, giving that ball up. This is not yet over. They need a stop here though, talking about Muntinlupa.
Are on the move! Paeng Are!
They're up by 9.
Paeng Are. Kita mo yung Coach Egay really squeezed every last bit of energy from Disoyo and then left it for Paeng Are. Mosqueda for the 2 points.
Bataan and they battle Robbie Darang. Pahals pareho yung laro nila eh.
Oo. That could be interesting, especially in the North Division. Shot clock. Cuevas finishes on the other side. All over, but the final score here for Quezon City. 7-second differential. Shot clock and game clock. Mosqueda. Nakawala. Chino could not get the roll. Cuevas will get the 2 points.
Have to be able to still keep the game close as much as you can to, you know, to avoid tiebreakers at the end of the season with those quotients.
And that's it.